In this video, I will show you how to adjust the volume of your TCL Smart TV without the remote control. Now this can be very useful, especially if your remote control is not working or you misplaced your remote control. This video should help you turn up or turn down the volume of your TCL Smart TV even without having the remote control. And trust me, this tutorial applies to every model and size of TCL Smart TV you have. And basically, to adjust the volume of your TCL Smart TV without the remote control, you want to go ahead and look for the power button that is just below the TCL logo over here at the bottom of your TCL Smart TV. This power button is usually at the bottom over here, but for some models and size of TCL Smart TV, you might actually find the power button on the right hand side or even on the left hand side of your TCL Smart TV. Now once you find that button, you want to tap on it, and you're going to see this menu over here that will be displayed on your TCL Smart TV. From this menu over here, you can literally see the volume up and volume down option. So to navigate through this menu, you want to continuously tap on the button until you get to either the volume up or the volume down option, and then just long press on that particular option, and automatically the volume of your TCL Smart TV will start increasing. Now to reduce it, you want to tap on that particular button once to navigate to the volume down button. Then you just want to long press on the button, and automatically the volume of your TCL Smart TV will start reducing. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.